Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva video for captions and templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Canva website at www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. You can choose to register using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Fill in the required information if you opt for email registration. Once registered, log in to your account. After logging in, click on the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type video and select it from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to a range of video templates. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on your chosen template to open it in the editor. To add captions, look for the text option in the left sidebar. Drag and drop the text box onto your video. Type in your captions in the text box. To edit the font, size, and color, use the options in the top toolbar. Adjust the position of the text box as desired. You can also add animations to your text for a dynamic effect. Once you're satisfied with your captions, you may want to preview your video. Click on the play button to view your edits in action. If everything looks good, it's time to download your video. Click on the download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred video quality and format. Finally, click on the download option to save it to your device. Now you're ready to use your Canva video with captions and templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.